One of my favorite holiday memories growing up was making cookies. Dozens and dozens of thumbprints, peanut blossoms, and of course, the sugar cookies. The most fun when we all get creative with the frosting and the sprinkles. We got somebody here that knows a little bit about that.
Keep talking, I'm eating.
Yes.
Look at Vanessa, the owner of Sweet Details in Grand Rapids. It's a beautiful bakery who not only give you this good stuff, but show you how to do it too.
Yes.
Thank you so much for having me here today.
We love having you because we get cookies and fun.
Yeah, it's always fun to come and share some of the tips and tricks with you guys and with the audience as well.
Yeah, I mean, and this is kind of your time of year.
Yes, it's really busy right now with the classes, with the cookie kits. It's funny because I'm going to be part of the main market as well.
Yeah.
So I don't usually do markets, but I jump into it this year. So yes, it's pretty busy and fun to be able to spread sweetness all over town.
You are spreading
What a
sweetness.
good tagline.
Totally.
Spread sweetness all
There
over
we go.
In so many different ways, too. I mean, people can go and order your cakes, cookies, all of the fun things. They can come for a class. We can talk a little bit about that, but they're selling out for the holiday season.
Yes, we only have a few seats left for the Santa cookie platter, which is one of the most popular classes. Everybody goes out of that class with such a joy that it is incredible.
Well, are they going home with that?
Yes.
They decorate the platter and they get to keep it and share it with their loved ones during the holidays.
Or eat it all themselves.
We have some tickets left for this one. We have some tickets left for the kids decorating class that we're hosting at East Grand Rapids, and then we do have some classes at Spruce Studio as well. So there's some tickets as well with them for either cookies or cake decorating.
Okay. But also you do these to-goes, and that's what we're doing right now. We're getting into Thanksgiving right here.
Yes. So you can also order a cookie decorating kit, and you just get everything you need to have a good time without the mess of washing the dishes, of baking, just straight to the fun. And yeah, you can pick if you want fall or Christmas ornaments. I have a wider range of options.
I love this. And how fun after Thanksgiving to let the kids go and be like, here you go, or let me and Todd go.
Well, last time you were here, Vanessa, what you did and what I did distinctly different. This looks harder.
No, your spider web was pretty cool, and this is something different that we haven't done at the studio before.
Okay.
We're going to be dipping cookies, which is also another way to decorate the cookies. It's very easy, not yet, because we want to add color. One thing that's very important is our icing is going to be very runny, as you can see here. So that's not the usual texture that we want for the icing, but for this technique, we want it to be very runny. And to create the marble effect, what we're going to do is just add some lines of color, and this is like abstract art.
Is it okay for me to do that too?
Yes. So just make sure that you add like some squiggles there of different colors. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hold the cookie.
Okay.
And we're going to just dip the cookie. You just want to make sure that the cookie makes full contact with the icing. And then we're going to make sure it drips. You can use the side of the bowl to kind of get the excess icing.
Okay. Wow.
And you're going to get like a marble effect that is beautiful, that it is always different.
I was wrong, it's easier.
It is really easy, and the kids love it, so you can now just flip it up.
Mine's not turning out very well.
You put it back there.
Because it didn't turn out. Oh, there, this is better.
There we go.
This is better.
Oh, that is easy. Oh my gosh, yours looks so good though. Hers is beautiful.
No, yours are beautiful. Every time you're going to get something different, and you're going to see as you dip more, it kind of gets smoosh the color. You can just do what Michelle is doing. You just add more squiggles and you just add more color, and you're going to have different effects every time.
Okay.
I love this.
What I like, you know what? The best part is when I'm quote unquote painting, I ain't gotta look.
Right.
Put it in there somewhere. That's good. Let's do some of
this is a very easy way to decorate cookies. It is also messy.
It is messy.
Which is also fun.
It's more fun, right?
So we have an example of how you can set up a platter to share with everyone. These specific ones look really cute if you set them in a round plate, kind of like as a wreath. It looks beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
You could also set them on each seat so everybody gets one cookie. So yeah, there's many different ways to enjoy the cookies this holiday season.
And you
Those
added a
look
little gold
beautiful.
leaf. You added gold leaf. There's our, I mean,
Yours looks really good,
we didn't
Michelle.
fail.
That
We
looks
didn't fail.
good. But of course, once again, Vanessa's look the best.
I know. Well, she is a professional.
Yeah.
So, but if you want to learn from her, take some classes, you want to get some of these, all you got to do, sweetdetailsgr.com. Vanessa, thanks so much for being here. Can't wait to have you back.
Thank you. Christmas. I'm coming back in Christmas.
Yes. All right.